Hi, if you're watching this video, that means you purchased a template from trimmingsbywc.com. I really appreciate your purchase and I hope you enjoy it. This video is a quick overview on how to unzip the files and upload them to Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and minimize my window here. I already have my folders open. So it should be in your downloads. It should say Gucci Template 1 and have a zipper on the folder. You want to double click to open, extract all, and then extract. Okay, sometimes you'll have a new folder window that opens up. That's completely fine if that's what happens with your system, but mine is not doing that, so I'm just going to go back here. So you'll see the same file duplicated, the same folder duplicated, but it will no longer have a zipper. Just for tutorial purposes, I'm opening a different file just because they're set up how I need them to be. So you want to double click the file that is extracted. You'll see here there are 3 images that are cut images, and there are 4 images that are PNGs. So we want to go to our Cricut Design Space. I'm already signed in here, so I'm going to select New Project. Have a new canvas open. I'm going to select Upload on the left-hand side. I'm going to select Upload Image. You have 2 options here. You can select Browse and then go into your folder to find the files that we just downloaded and extracted. I don't like to do it that way. I prefer to drag and drop, so that's how I'm going to show you today. So I'm just opening up the folder that I previously had open before. I'm going to select one file at a time. Design Space will only allow you to upload one file at a time. I'm going to drag and drop into Design Space. You'll see I have my first cut image. So if you would like to change the image name, which is up in the right hand corner, you can definitely do that. I'm just going to leave it as 1 for now. Then I'm going to select Upload down in the right hand corner. All right, I'm going to follow that same process for all of the images that are in my folder. So I'm going to number 2. It's also a cut file. I'm going to leave the image name the same. Upload. Again, upload image. I'm going to open my folder, select number 3. Didn't mean to double click it there. Select number 3 and drag and drop. Also a cut image. I'm going to upload. Again, upload image. Open my folders. This next image is a PNG and it's the logo. I'm going to drag and drop. Okay, now since this is a PNG and not a cut image, it's going to take you to where it says select image type. There are 3 different selections here: simple, moderately complex, and complex. Just to be safe, I always select complex because I want to make sure that I'm getting my files as clean and crisp as possible. So I'm selecting complex. Down in the right hand corner, I'm going to select continue. Okay, now we have a picture of our image here. You can zoom in. There's a button here with the percentage that it zoomed in or out with a minus and a plus sign on each side. We can go ahead and zoom in some. Let's adjust our view. Now this image is already has a transparent background for you, so you really don't have to worry about cleaning anything up here. So we're just going to go to apply and continue. So now it gives you 2 different options. You can save it as a cut image or you can save it as a print and cut image. I prefer to select it as a cut image because I like to use different cardstocks and I don't want to worry about having to print out the actual logo onto some paper or some cardstock. I just like to use like some glitter cardstock, and it's much better to do that with a cut image. So just like before, down in the right hand corner, select upload. All right, we're going to move on to the next. These three images are of the actual Gucci print, and they also do have a transparent background. Again, we're going to select complex because it did take us to select image type. We're going to select continue again down in the right hand corner. All right, and like I said, it's already transparent, so there's really nothing that you need to clean up here. We're going to go to apply and continue. Okay, so again, we have the option to do a cut image or print and cut image. Now, since this is the actual print and not a logo, we're actually going to want to print this out onto the cardstock instead of using the cardstock to cut out the actual print. So we're going to select print and cut for this one. All right, let's go ahead and do that for the others. These last two are going to be the same exact process as the first print one we did. Again, print then cut, upload. Last one here. Now, if you'd like, you can actually and continue. For this last image here that we're doing for the Gucci print, if you're more comfortable just uploading one of those, and then when you get into design space on the canvas, you can duplicate that. I just have the three ones here just to make it simple for everyone, in case there's people that are using it that are beginners. So we have all of our files uploaded. Now we want to add them to the canvas. And to do that, we're going to select each one by clicking it. And we can do these multiple at a time. Then we're going to select Add to Canvas down in the right-hand corner. Okay, you'll see here, once the images are all uploaded and added to the canvas, it will be grouped together. You can tell they're grouped together because as I select it and move it, everything is going at the same time. If I were to adjust it down here with the arrow, everything's going to get bigger and smaller all together. And another way you can tell is because everything on the side is highlighted in darker gray. Now, if I select an empty space on the canvas, you'll see that the box is no longer around all of our images, and that on the side here, they're no longer in the dark gray. So if we select one thing, then that one thing will move along with this, one image at a time. We can definitely do that. All right, so now we have everything uploaded to Cricut Design Space. So again, I'd like to thank you for your purchase. I thank you also for watching this video. If you would like further instructions on how to modify and work with this file in Cricut Design Space, please visit my YouTube page, Trimmings by WC, and there'll be plenty more tutorials there. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye.